Hey guys, it's me again. We don't have Goon today because he doesn't want to be in this video. Who knows why? But we do have Marlo. And today we'll be showing you the bridge. I had no idea, but it has nearly fallen down, but not exactly. Hello. Please leave a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and leave a comment. Make sure it's awesome. And tell me what I did wrong. This video is a bit boring. But anyway, I didn't know I just did that, because I did. We have our tent thing that has fallen down. Where did you just come from? It's just fallen down, as you can see. There, especially there. And it's fallen down there. Let's keep going to the bridge. Yes, the bridge has fallen down a little bit, because that's what it's meant to look like that, up there. But it's just fallen down. And the water is all static, so we cannot swim in it. And we can, if we twist this, it'll bring the bridge higher. If we keep going along here, Marlo, you want to come? Keep coming along here. Hello. There is a log here. That has been a fallen down tree, because we had lots of wind and rain and stuff. Ugh. This isn't meant to be a bridge tour. Not really is. Milo. Come on, Milo. Not that way. We're meant to be a bridge tour, Marlo. Not an explorer. Well, we kind of are exploring. Marlo, come on. It's really shallow there, but it keeps getting deeper and deeper. Run! I just heard something. It sounded like in the bushes. That was scary. Did you guys hear that? Marlo! Let's see where I should leave the gate open for her. Did you guys hear that? Marlo, did you hear it? Yes. I heard it fall. Come on, Mo. Get out of this place. Oh, that's familiar. Marlo. Get out of here. Abandoned bush. I hope you like the trees. Come on. I hope you guys like the trees. Get out of this. I had something.